Hey you guys, welcome back to Dark Side Diesel. So we changed our CCV filter on our 11 Ram and we got to clear the perform service indicator on the dash. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do that real quick so you can finish up your job at home if you're doing this yourself. So we got our display here. Let me get it better. So you can see that we're on trans temp right now. So on our steering wheel we're going to go back. Okay. Then you can see right there. So it's actually gone now that we've changed the filter. But so it'd be under messages right there where it was before. So now that it's not there, it's not going to do us much good, but I'll still show you guys what you would do. So you're going to turn the key to the on position. So your vehicle's off. Turn it on, but don't start the vehicle. Press the brake twice. Okay. And then press the accelerator down slowly. Release it slowly. Press it down slowly. And release it slowly. And now shut the vehicle off. And then start the vehicle. And then your perform service indicator will be gone. So since ours has cleared, I wasn't able to show you that, but that is exactly how you are going to clear the perform service indicator for that CCV filter replacement, and you'll be all set to go. So thanks you guys for joining me. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe and like, please. Thanks guys.